Hello guys, again welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you how to give long shadow effect in any text or object. Let's start. First type your text, for example I typing shadow for shadow effect. Now press Ctrl plus J for copy layer or drag it to new layer. Now change color of upper text. Now press Ctrl plus E and change positing some left and some bottom. Now press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus T for repeat and duplicate last created work. You can see here and here. Now select all duplicate layer and press Ctrl plus M for layer, merge all layer in one. Now press G for gradient and apply it. Now change background color according to you want. Here you can see some space by angle. Let's create another some rounded text and apply what we done in previous text, but this time we not merge, we will group all layer in one folder. And give gradient effect. Now let's make some changes for perfect look.